Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today, we got a little bit of an interesting one. I'm going skiing, but it's pretty late season, so the conditions are not gonna be that great. So I figured instead of showing you just a normal ski day, I'm gonna do a little comparison video, show you the difference between the GoPro Max lens mod and just the standard GoPro Hero 10. So I'm bringing the Max lens mod along with me today. Gonna do a couple of the same runs over and over again just to show you the difference between the two lenses, show you what that horizon lock does, as well as just showing the POV that you get with the two lenses. So hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys at the mountain. Made it to Solitude. Gonna get up the lift now and then show you a couple of the runs with the different views. Alright, this is one of my favorite wide open blue groomers at Solitude, looking down at Solitude Village. This is the one I'm gonna be doing. These couple runs just show you guys the difference. This first one, I'm helmet mounted right now, just on the standard GoPro lens. The GoPro Hero 10. Let's go. Alright, just switched out to the Max lens mod. Now we'll have horizon leveling and maybe a wider POV, so see how this compares. Let's do this.